अल्ट्रा रिच इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, अल्ट्रा रिच पीपल, उन लोगों के पास ना कुछ सॉर्ट ऑफ इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है. इज दैट ट्रू?
इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन की एक खास डेफिनेशन है सेबी के रेगुलेशंस में. वो दैट इज वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, बट द ultra rich, if you can call that, or well connected, you can call that, so they have a much better sense of winds of change, if I can call that.
Explain थोड़ा.
वो जब लोगों से मिलते हैं, they meet policy makers, they meet successful entrepreneurs. A young entrepreneur with good ideas also goes to them for capital. तो उनको the sources of information to read trends is much better than an average person. And hence they can see the world in a different lens, and therefore they can foresee. And then most of these people are also very well traveled. They see what's happening in the other parts of the world. So they can see ki this is likely to happen. And therefore if they were to make a bet and say ki ye chalega. So their ability to judge by factoring these inputs, what I call as connecting the dots who are seemingly not connected.
These well-connected people have
correct
strengthened that muscle.
Yeah.
But you are essentially telling me...
Or, I always use another term called being able to see around the corners.
But is it the same information which is available to public? Do these well-connected rich people, do they see it with a different filter?
They see it with a different filter.
That's why it makes sense.
I think
or do you think that this kind of information, it doesn't even reaches or it doesn't even reach the normal public?
No, it is out there, right? There is, when you say insider information, there's a specific insider information कि भाई इस company में जो है ना अभी, there's a major issue plant में and production is going to be down this month. That's a very specific kind of information. That's different, right?
वो usually नहीं आती, वो इतना few bad actors
वो उनको आता होगा, उनको मिलता भी होगा क्योंकि that industrial may be a friend.
Okay.
Or he may be in the same industry. उसने बोला यार मेरे plant में ये problem चल रहा है, इसका तुमने जो पिछले बार give me some advice. This kind
okay,
of
so this is just very happenstance वैसा हो गया इधर-उधर तो ठीक है, कोई organized way नहीं है.
Where these people, the well-connected, well-traveled, many of them are successful entrepreneurs and businessmen themselves.
The pattern recognition.
So they can pattern recognition, and their instincts are tuned, right? And see, when you think about many of the very successful businesses, right? There is a model where you say कि boss मैं ये करना चाह रहा हूँ, इसके लिए मैं market research करूँगा, मैं establish करूँगा कि what is the addressable market size, what should be my price point, all the stuff that is taught in MBA books, right? But तुमने स्विगी खड़ा किया, क्या मार्केट रिसर्च करोगे, कितने लोगों को घर पे खाना चाहिए?
है ही नहीं, मार्केट ही नहीं चाहिए,
बट किया उसने. That is what an entrepreneur's instinct is about. It is about the ability to see a need which is not visible, or to judge ki bhai or create a need, if you can call that, right? I think there is an opportunity where if I do this, it will find takers. This is what is the ability to see beyond what everybody was eating food. Everybody was, अच्छा कुछ तो ठीक है, मैं अपने पंजाब स्वीट को फ़ोन किया, उससे मेरा जो है टिक्की लेके आया, वो तो तब भी था, ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं था. Individual restaurants would still have a runner boy to do that. How to organize that and make it into a big business? That's what an entrepreneur sees. So well-connected people can, identify these things earlier than most people.
What is one pattern you have seen across really successful people who have made money consistently over the time? कुछ तो pattern होगा जो इनमें कुछ होगा, like maybe the way they think, the way they act, the way they use their money.
I think
pattern, right?
I can only, to the extent that I've met a lot of founders of companies, successful industrialists, as an investment banker, my own mentor and founder, Mr. Kotak, etc. One is they're very good listeners, right? And they're very, very quick in understanding things, right? at least in the case of Mr. Kotak, I can say he has a fantastic memory, right? He will remember small things 30-35 years ago. मेरे को याद नहीं होगा, उसको याद होगा, right? So there is always some unique characteristic about these people that, and their ability to, all of these people have a much better gut and instinct than normal people. वो जो instinct जिसे कहते हैं ना, वो उनका बहुत ही, it's a different level.
तगड़ा होता है बहुत.
And they have clarity. ये करना है, and then most importantly tenacity.
What do you mean by tenacity?
See, once you have made up your mind कि हमको करना है, then the ability to execute and overcome problems. Anything that you want to do new, you will have problems. You will have customer acceptance issues, you will have production issues, you will have other execution issues. But you have got your goal. You know that this is what I want to get there. Every problem to sort of get into the nitty-gritties and solve. The ability to, most successful people, apart from an ability to listen, have a very sharp ability to get into the nitty-gritties and details. घुस जाएंगे इसके अंदर. I have seen this. वो ये रूल है, ये रेगुलर, किताब लेके बैठ जाएंगे. टैक्स का किताब लेके आओ, कंपनीज एक्ट लेके आओ, और आरबीआई का रेगुलेशन लेके आओ, इसमें क्या लिखा है, इसमें क्या लिखा है, इसमें क्या लिखा है, इसका क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है, इसमें फुल
अंदर.
तो तुम सारे तुम्हारे लोग अटेंशन में खड़े हुए हैं, लीगल वाला अटेंशन में खड़ा हुआ है, अकाउंटिंग वाला अटेंशन में खड़ा हुआ है, बॉस लग गया है. सो ही इज एबल टू देन सी. जरूरत पड़े तो दे गेट इनटू द डिटेल्स. नहीं तो जरूरत नहीं है कि चल रहा है, चलना. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, यू विल गेट इनटू इट.
That's pattern across people you have seen.
Absolutely. People get into the details. I mean, they know how, manufacturing में, industrial तो वो तो plant में चला जाएगा. बॉस क्या हो रहा है?
उसको पता है कौन सा screw deal है.
हाँ, तो he will talk to the worker, he will talk to this, he will to understand क्या हो रहा है. He'll get into the details.
What is
the ability to, what you call as roll up the sleeves and let's get this done.